Welcome to the second video of Abacus basic series. Let's discuss today the benefits of learning Abacus. Now, why should you or your child learn the Abacus? Here are top 5 benefits. First, boost calculation, speed, and accuracy. So, if you learn Abacus, it will really improve your calculation a lot, improves your focus and concentration, enhances memory and problem solving skills. Fourth, builds confidence in handling numbers. Most important, strengthens overall brain development. I have seen my students transform into confident, quick thinkers, and this skill stays with them for life. What else you want, parents? So do enroll now. Thank you for watching, and for more content like this, subscribe the channel for other educational activities as well. Thank you.